Hello, friends. Thanks for stopping by today. Look at my beautiful puzzle I'm working. Sorry for the glare. This is so pretty. And I thought it would be easier than this, but it's not. So I did a challenge when I didn't think at first I was going to be able to get beyond the border and a few other pieces. I said, I'll watch a movie, an hour and a half movie. And if I can get at least 30 pieces, we'll carry on. Well, here we are. I got 61 during that challenge. Now, I don't know how many I had when I started. The next day, I got 110. Yesterday, I got 192. I worked on it quite a bit, but I can't work on it at night because I've got a visitor underneath my dishwasher. I've got a cricket. Gosh. That needs to vacate. But the good news is I don't hear him in there. And keeping track for today. And they're only at night. They can live for 2 weeks without food and water. So there is that. All right, well, I got to write down, keep track of how many I'm getting today. I'd like to finish this today, but it just depends. Depends, one, how much I get done today, because if Mr. Cricket is still here, I can't do a night session. A little afternoon delight, I can come in here and do a little afternoon. That's not what that song's talking about. It's not talking about working puzzles. My brother always told me, you're not old enough to know, and I figured it out. I'm not as dumb as you think. Okay, there's another piece. Just how easy it is. 26 pieces today. Not too bad today. Okay, well, I appreciate you stopping by for my update. You will not see the completed in this video because I don't know when that's going to be. Hey, I've been looking for that. This is the piece. If anything's missing, because this is from Goodwill for $3.99, anything's missing, yeah. Now, I've decided, unless it's something really spectacular that I've just got to have for some reason, $3.99, I think, will be my maximum price, $4, from any thrift store. Because some of them at Savers are $3.49 and $4.49. And then I go on Senior Day on a Tuesday. So, you know. So that's fine. Some of them are high there. Some of them are $8. No. For a used puzzle? No, Savers. So, okay. Oh. All right. Well, thanks for stopping by. Take a look. I'll Bye.